What is up, you guys? So today we're just going to be doing a good old clean with me. Baby comes tomorrow, or he's already here if you're watching this later. And yeah, this took several days, as you'll see. I'm just cleaning up the living room, and I know, girl, I know this living room gets insane. We live in a smaller space, so like when we get PR boxes or any type of packages, this is where it'll end up. And cleaning for me, it has to come in sections because I get so tired and I'm so pregnant here. I was just going to cut this out, but I'm like, nah, this is real life. This is how cleaning is for me right now. And yeah, you'll see this broken up between 3 days. And I end up having to clean the living room twice. And yeah, I just thought I would show you. And I add some furniture to this living room. And you'll see that. I'll show you and talk you through it. I won't talk through the entire video, but little pieces here and there. I'll come in here and show you what I'm talking about. And then those boxes that you see back there, those are actually backyard furniture from IKEA. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And we also bought an IKEA couch that I'm going to do a whole video about because I think it's like a great deal for what it is. And just cleaning that up. You know, when we bring the baby home, I want the house to be nice and clean. So that is what we're doing. We're like nesting and yeah, clean with me. Also want to mention that this house is just a rental. We own, I know I've said this a million times, but we own a house here in Albuquerque, but we're actually flipping it at the moment. And because it was a smaller space. So when we found out that we were pregnant, we rented a bigger space that was in the same area for Chris's job and kids' school. So we're just renting this space and we are flipping the other one at the same time. I know, it's so much. It's so much. I also use this space as my office. I will show you guys the second living room in another video where I bought the IKEA couch, new rug, the whole thing. And yeah, now we're moving on to the kitchen, you know, normal cleaning. Just want to let you guys know, if you didn't know, that this is a rental property. And also wanted to mention that this thing that you see around my waist is a belly band from Amazon. You guys, it's a total must-have. My stomach has dropped so much, so wearing this, I just felt more support. And the little flaps that you see in the back, those are for like extra support pieces, but sometimes it'll get too tight. So yeah, if you see it just flapping around, that's why. All right, and this steam mop that you guys see, so normally I'm like hands on my knees, scrub the floor kind of girl. Not with this belly, girl. So I'm just using this Swiffer Steam Mop, which actually works really well. It gets super hot and you just use one of those Swiffer pads and then you just throw it away when you're done. And this is the clean area. That little doorway over there is the second living room where I'll be with the baby a whole lot. And then, yeah, this crazy ass kitchen. All clean. And then now, okay, so, you know, life happens. Living room gets dirty again. That's what's happening here. And as you can see, I added this table and the end table. You'll hear my dad in the background. Sorry, my parents are here now. I know, it's getting so real. And yeah, now I'm just cleaning it up all again, wiping all the floors, steaming. We finally got that cactus picture hung back up, and yeah, just getting it all spick and span. All right, and that completes this video. We are all nice and clean. Again, my parents are here now. I have my pre-op appointment today. Baby boy will be born March 28th. My appointment is scheduled for 5:30, and they'll probably start at 7:30. So yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. Our house is nice and clean now. I'll see you guys very, very soon. I promise I won't take too long off, but we can't wait to enjoy our little bundle of joy. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye!